Today, I will be showing you how to redeem codes in Wuthering Waves. First, make sure you are already inside the game and logged into your account. Once you're in the game, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open your profile menu, also known as the terminal. From the terminal menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the wrench icon, which represents the system and account options, and click on it. Next, go to the Account section. Here, you will see an option that says Redeem. Click on Redeem, and a text box will appear where you can enter your redemption code. Carefully type in the code exactly as provided, making sure there are no extra spaces. Once you've entered the code, confirm it to complete the redemption process. After redeeming the code, exit the menu and open your in-game mailbox. This is where your rewards will be sent. Simply claim the rewards from your mailbox and they will be added to your account. And that is how to redeem codes in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.